In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Descript to set up a text to video using the free version of Descript. So watch as I kind of set up this account. I'm just going to use my basic Gmail to get signed into here and keep track of all these buttons that I'm pressing. You can slow it down or speed it up on YouTube. These questions shouldn't matter too much, but I'm just going to select a couple of these. We're going to choose the free version over here. Click Get Started there. Skip that and allow them to kind of review it to fix stuff up. So here is the basic screen with the free plan. I'm going to click on Text to AI Video. And I'm just going to go super broad and just ask it to make a pizza video, or how to make pizza dough. So those are the options I selected. I picked the real version for the layout. Instead of going horizontal, we're going to go vertical because I'm envisioning this to be a short video. And it's going to go polygon. So you can see it working over there. It's kind of putting together a script for it. I didn't give it any information. I could have pre-written everything and it had to kind of go for my steps, but I'm just doing this pretty quick. I did choose the polygon style, which is kind of why it looks like that. And here I am just kind of playing around with it. A few of the images for the video did not generate. So we're just going to have to go back and fix those manually. So it's saying right there it didn't work. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on the image and then go to Add Media. And once I do that, I'm just going to generate an image using AI. I could have uploaded an image there if I wanted to, but let me just get something typed in over here. And I'm just going to say, show me a completed pizza dough. And it's going to go, it's going to generate it. I didn't ask it to go polygon, so it's going to look a little different. But I'm just doing a little demonstration over here. So we got 4 of those. I'll just choose this one. And then I'm going to go to another one of the images that didn't really populate over there. And we'll generate probably one more image. Just got to figure out what step this is for. And we'll just say show hands working with the pizza dough. And we'll let that run for a second. I'm going to ask it to match the style of the image before and see if it's going to let us do that. Fix this little spelling error and let that run for a second. So those are the 4. Didn't really get our polygon, but we'll just take and use this one here to replace that. Now I'm going to play the video real quick so you can see what Descript came up with.
Hello everyone. Welcome to our quick and easy guide on making pizza dough from scratch. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps of adding ingredients to a bowl to create delicious homemade pizza dough. You will need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, a packet of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 3/4 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of salt.
Now we're going to pretend that I'm happy with this video and I want to export this to use. So you are going to click that export button. I'm just going to set all of these to maximum. You're going to have a watermark in it if you don't have the paid version. Once we go ahead and export it, we'll have it in our folder, and you can play it right there with your media player, or go ahead and upload to YouTube or whatever you are going to be using the video for.